Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Bloom where you planted. Reasons why. What does it mean? It means even if life places you somewhere unexpected, difficult, or unfamiliar, you can still grow, improve, and shine right where you are. Basically, life hands you a tiny flower pot, and you say, "Watch me become a whole garden." Even if life feel messy, confusing, on a slow sometimes, growth is still possible. Take care of yourself, keep learning, keep being kind, and keep growing one step at a time. One, every place can teach you something. Maybe you're in your dream situation yet, but even temporary places can teach valuable lessons. Reasons why growth can help anywhere. Two, small beginnings still matters. Big success often starts small. A tiny seed doesn't become a tree overnight. Reason why progress takes time and consistency. Three, you don't need a perfect condition. Sometimes people wait for the perfect moment. Meanwhile, life says, best I can offer is chaos and Wi-Fi problems. Reason why you can still improve even during imperfect situations. 4. Positivity can spread. One kind person can improve the mood of an entire group. Reason why good attitude influence environment. 5. Adaptability is a superpower. Life changes constantly. People who adapt often handles challenges better. Reasons why flexibility helps people grow stronger. 6. You discover hidden talents. Sometimes difficult situation reveals abilities you didn't know you had. Reason why challenges can uncover strengths. 7. Gratitude helps mental well-being. Appreciating small wins can improve outlook and motivation. Reason why gratitude encourages healthier thinking. 8. Growth isn't a competition. Everybody grows at different speeds. Reasons why personal journeys are different for everyone. 9. Kindness creates opportunities. Being respectful and helpful often leaves positive impression. Reason why good character builds trust and relationship. Then, difficult places builds resilience. Hard season can teach patience, endurance, and wisdom. Reason why resilience grows through experiences. 11. You can inspire others. Sometimes people around you silently need encouragement. Reason why encouragement can motivate others. 12. Learning never stops. No matter where you are, there always something new to learn. Reason why continuous learning creates opportunities. 13. Peace is more valuable than showing off. You don't need to impress everyone. Reason why inner peace and balance matter. 14. Every season changes. Bad moments don't last forever. Reason why patience helps during difficult times.